Hey guys, I'm Daily Quinn, a contributing writer at Real Simple, and today I'm going to show you all how to make a DIY matcha and lavender bath bomb. So first what you're going to do is get a large bowl to add all your ingredients into. You're first going to add 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of citric acid, half a cup of cornstarch, half a cup of Epsom salts, 1 tablespoon of matcha powder. Mix all the dry ingredients around together. You're going to start adding your wet ingredients. So the first thing you're going to do is add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once you've mixed the coconut oil in, you can start adding the lavender essential oil. You want to add about 10 to 20 drops. I added about 10. And then mix that in there. You want to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of witch hazel. For this specific video, I used a witch hazel that came in a spray bottle, and I sprayed about 5 to 6 sprays into the mixture. The reason I used a spray bottle is that you want to be really careful not to add too much liquid too fast, because it will activate the citric acid and start fizzing everywhere. You want to mix everything together with either a fork or a whisk, and you want the mixture to be a little bit like damp sand. Once you've mixed everything together, you want to get out your bath bomb molds and start packing the mixture very tightly into the molds. Once you've packed both of the molds together with the bath bomb mixture, you want to press the molds together very firmly so that they become one mold. Once you've created the bath bomb, you're going to want to find a cool, dry place to put the bath bomb to dry out for about 24 hours. Take either a fork or a spoon and lightly tap throughout to kind of loosen up the mold. Gently take off the top part of the mold and then do the same for the other side. Throw it right into your bath and enjoy!